And what I found out was, well, I didn't know what it was called before. There's a keeper thing, a little piece of metal I found. This ain't the one, but this is another piece of metal. But it had rigids in it. And I guess it goes on your valve to hold the valve in. This is a valve spring. This goes over top. Well, what happened is this spring broke. When I found it, it was all screwed down like this, compacted. And this was laying over to the side. But the valve is probably dropped down into that cylinder block. This goes on top. And this kind of sets on here, and as it's going, this goes up and down. But I gotta change the timing anyway. Hopefully nothing's ruined in the block. I might have to take the head off too. But here's the intake. That was a pain in the butt. I actually got the valve cover off without taking this all the way off. I just loosened all the bolts. Well, I thought I loosened all the bolts, but I was counting on other people's video, 9. There's actually 10 of them. So you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. Come over here, 7. And I thought it was 8 and 9. And here there's another one that holds that bracket. 10. I was fighting with this thing to get it off because the bracket, if I'd have had this bolt loose, I would have been fine getting this out. But I fought with this, and I see I want an injector. I heard something crackling, but I was getting mad, so I kind of forced it out. But it's just the plug, so everything else looks all right. Down there's your starter. Just want to do a quick video, but make sure you take out every bolt for this thing. There's 3 on that back corner. 1, 2, 3. I thought it was only 2 because you can't really see down there. It's all by feel. Another one. I think this is a H3 Hummer, but the Colorados and Canyons have the same motor, I believe. And my 2012 Chevy Blazer has a 5-cylinder like this too. I don't know if it's the same setup. I don't even want to look. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little insight on some of these parts and pain in the butt to get it apart. I'm thinking the valve is, I might have to get a light and try to see if the valve is, I don't know how I can do it. I can see if I want to see if I can see the valve in there. I don't know what it's showing because I'm just holding the light down there. I'm viewing what you're viewing. But anyways, I gotta see what happens next. All right, thank you.